How to copy logos from Google to Microsoft Word. What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily copy logos from Google to Microsoft Word. It's quite a simple process, so let's just get into it. So I've gotten a Word document right here, which is about Facebook. Now let's say if I want to add a few pictures for Facebook's logo so that it would be more attractive and more visually appealing. What I'm going to do is open up my Google Chrome application, and all you have to do here is simply search for the logo that you want. So I'm just going to search for Facebook logo, hit enter, and you'll be able to see different kinds of logo right here. Click on the images option. Now you can use different logos from here, though it is better if you search for Facebook logo vector image, or you could just search for the one that doesn't have any background. I'm going to take this one right here. It looks quite good. You could choose from other different platforms as well. So I'm going to take one from this right here. It has a watermark, so let me just choose a different one. Right click on it and then click on copy image. Now you're going to go to your Word, right click here, and then you're going to paste the image. So if you click on it, the image will be pasted right here. You can adjust the size of the image, and if you right click on it, you're going to get the wrap text option. Make sure that you set this in front of text. Now you can set this wherever you want. So if I want a full logo for Facebook, I'm going to search for Facebook logo full, and it will show me the full logo. I'm going to right click on this, copy image, do the same thing, go back to my Word file, right click on it, and then paste it, or press Ctrl+V, and I can choose this to set wherever I want. I'm going to set the wrap text to in front of the text. Now, once that is done, you should be good to go. So that's how you basically copy logo from your Google. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.